lovelies! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon Renae, and make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. I put out new beauty/lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And today's video, guys, oh my gosh, this took me so long. It took me 3 hours to do. But today I am going to recreate this beautiful heart eyeshadow look. It's a heart cut crease in the center. So right here is a cut crease, and then I just put graphic liner around it. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. It took me forever, so I had to edit a lot of the footage out, and I had to pause and restart and stuff like that. So sorry if this video is a little bit shorter than I normally do, but the person who got me inspired to recreate this tutorial her name is Melissa, and I'll put her Twitter handle and picture of the look she did right here. But that is my inspiration, and that is what I'm going to try to recreate today. I don't know if I did a really good job. I don't know, I probably messed a lot of stuff up, but she didn't do the liner, but I just did it on me just because I wanted to make it pop a little bit more, and I wanted to make it look a little bit like more accentuated, so I did the liner. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for the support so far, and let's just get right in the video because I can't wait. I seriously can't wait to show you guys how I did this. First, I'm going to show you guys my new shirt. I got this at Garage yesterday, and it says Santa Monica on it, and it's so cute. I love it. So yeah, let's go, guys. Alrighty guys, we're gonna start off by priming our eyes, and what I'm gonna be using to do that is the Maybelline Dream Creamy Brightening Concealer. I love this concealer. It's very, very creamy and very nice. So what I'm gonna do is take this and just put it all over my eyelids. And this is just gonna give us a nice base, so we have something down so our eyeshadow is pigmented and beautiful. Now I'm just gonna go in and buff that out with a concealer brush. This is the Morphe. I'm not sure which brush this is, but it's from the Morphe Black and White Travel brush set that I have. Alright guys, so now using the B&H Cosmetics Nouveau Neutrals palette, I'm going to be taking this light matte shade right here. It's a really pretty transition shade, and that is what I'm going to use it for, as a transition shade. Okay, so now once we have the transition shade, I'm gonna do another transition shade actually. I'm gonna take this darker, it's like a darker color of what I just used, and put that a tiny bit lower than what I just laid down. Guys, I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. What are your Valentine's Day plans? I want to know. Definitely leave me in the comments what your Valentine's Day plans are. Even if that's just staying home watching Netflix by yourself, I get it. I was there once too. So now I'm just going to take this really bright pink from the Blush Neutrals palette by BH Cosmetics. And we're just going to take that and layer it on the lid. So once I have that on, I'm just gonna take this dark maroon and layer it in the center. Alright, and last but not least, we're gonna take this dark shade and go in the center as well. Okay, now is the hard part where I'm going to attempt to draw a heart with a cut crease with concealer, and I don't know how it's gonna go, so we will see. But Maybelline Fit Me concealer, as you guys already know, and I'm just gonna attempt to draw a heart right here in the corner of my eye.
1 hour later.
Okay, so that took forever, but this is kind of what we're working with. We got a little heart going on, so I'm just gonna go in and fill in some of this and make it a little bit more dimensional and stuff like that. I'm gonna be using this white from the B&H Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in and set the top of the heart. Now I'm gonna just take the fluffy blending brush I used earlier and this maroon shade that I used earlier. Alright guys, and then to accentuate even more, I use the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. Alright guys, this is the final completed look, and it came out better than I thought it would. I definitely did not know how well I was gonna do with this, but it definitely came out way better than I thought it was going to. I added the graphic liner on top just because I thought it needed that extra little pop. Fun, oh my gosh. It took so freaking long to do the cut crease. It took like an hour. So you guys better smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, because it took me so long to do this. And then I just popped on these are some Kiss lashes. I had never tried the Kiss lashes before. These are in 02. That's what it looks like. And they're wispy, and I absolutely love these. These are way more dainty than the lashes from Ardell that I usually wear. The lashes from Ardell come out so far, and they're like different than anything I've ever worn, which I really enjoy. I just wanted to recreate this look for you guys because I've seen it everywhere, and I was like, I wonder how well that actually works. And it actually kind of worked. My eye shape is different than a lot of people's, so it was definitely hard to get the heart to be in a heart shape. But when I close my eyes, you can definitely tell it's a heart. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Also, happy Valentine's Day if I never said that in this video.